आना तो है।
लेकिन मेरे को बताओ, हाउ कम रिलायंस जस्ट रॉकेट लाइक एनीथिंग? मैं ये चीज आप लोग को मैं पहले भी बताया था कि व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी द न्यू वर्ड इन टर्म्स ऑफ वेयर द बिजनेस इज गोइंग टू बी। सब लोग क्यों वीडियो सब लोग का ऑफ है? आ जाओ यार, जरा शक्ल तो दिखाओ। आप लोग सब बराबर है कि नहीं एक दिन का छुट्टी के बाद में? ओके, हर्षल भाई पीछे घूम अंधेरे में घूम गए ऐसा लगता है। So the idea is कि any business, if it wants to change, okay, you need to change with times. Very important for you to understand that every business needs a change, and if we understand the change of environment, then and then only we are going to look forward to a different way of looking at business and how you should be going about, right? Change is inevitable. Seasons come and seasons goes. As far as tides are coming in, tide will go out for sure. So every tide coming in will bring you some hope, but when it is going out, that is where you should be holding yourself कि उसके साथ में अंदर नहीं घुस जाने का है. Very important for us to understand. So as a trader or in this particular business, okay, in this particular business, that we need to understand that there is money in the market to make. Okay, we just have to go with the flow of where the market is going. Now I was telling you everyone 3 weeks back, okay boss, market is going to go down, okay, business is going to go bad, blah blah blah, okay. And then I changed my stand also. What was my stand? कि बॉस अभी पॉसिबल है कि मार्केट नीचे नहीं जाएगा, मार्केट इज ट्राइंग टू गो अप, ओके, एंड few stocks which are strong enough to take the market up or take the nifty up basically, okay, and they are the one which are getting proved that these stocks can just keep the nifty up for quite some time. You know, they are the holders of the nifty. Reliance was one of them, okay. That is why we learned about the constituents of the nifty. Now if you don't remember it, let us once again go through that constituents. Now if these 4 or 5 stocks, the heavyweights which constitute the whole of nifty, you know, उसका वेटेज इतना ज्यादा है, if they remain on the top, इन लोग सब लोग को खींच के ऊपर लेके जाएगा. Can you agree with me this?
Correct.
Right. So like I said, 30% of the investment gone in, and that was it. Now 3 weeks had gone by. Now we have to find out another 30%, as we are putting in. Okay, we need to find out stocks which could potentially now go to the next level of wherever we are. Now Nifty is going to do that up and down. Okay, compared to Nifty, the bank Nifty is definitely little weak, but now it is becoming little by little stronger. Now we are seeing the SBI dancing between 180 and 190 for donkey's time. Like, you know, it is getting dance. One side dance chalu. Okay. And once now decisively break above 189, 192, will take the SBI to the next level. Now, why this is happening? Why the dancing is happening? Okay, you need to understand that as far as India is concerned, even with the population, we are still in control of coronavirus. Okay, people are thinking differently. Okay, I specifically said कि Microsoft के साथ में, if you remember, in January and February, there was Delhi में there was one conference, okay, which PM had called for, and all the industrialists had gone over there, and Google it, where Mukesh Ambani had spoken with Microsoft, and they had an exclusive tie-up with Microsoft. That was one trigger point which gave me a thinking. Agar Jio, which is now having a widespread network, they have entered the DTH market, so they are going to kill the DTH all the right. they are now into a big time gaming. They have acquired at least 5 companies which I know of, okay, wherein they are going to put in lot of efforts to bring the gaming thing. अभी जैसे घर पे बैठे हैं हम लोग सब लोग, तो gaming is, you know, थोड़ा time pass करने के लिए game खेल लेते हैं. So the people who have not even played games, computer games, now will, you know, get attracted to this particular game. India is still a niche market as far as gaming is concerned. Lekin in the world, the gaming market is huge. Okay, and Jio is ready to go about it. Secondly, Jio is into media. It could be, you know, movies. Okay, now please understand. Um, Disney Plus, okay, Disney Plus channel, which is supposed to be a paid channel, was launched in India in April. Okay, it is like your all your Prime Video and all that Hotstar wala thing, and it is a subscription based. Okay, now if you want to watch the Marvel movies, Disney Plus will be the channel you will be going on. Okay, and that is technically going to generate lots and lots of business on a regular basis. Whenever, please understand what is the different types of businesses which models which are going about. One is the subscription based, means आपको continuous पैसा देना ही पड़ेगा to stay in touch, right? And that business is going to be worthwhile business even while you feel that no, this is not going to work. But will you not watch the movies? Will you not go about entertaining yourself? So that business is going to be there. You know, Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi was going on since donkey's years before it something came up. So India has these emotions of watching the movies and you know, Bollywood, Tollywood, and all the dunya wala moods are here in India. That is why I said the Tata Elxsi thing. VFX will be needed. So which is the company which are into VFX? So find out that companies which are into VFX, and then we need to invest in that particular company which are going to go 10 years down the line. Which are the companies which are going to go about? So you need to understand that there will be lot of changes as far as the business model is concerned. Now, a person who will wants to go to his work, but he is not owning a car. Please now think what I am thinking in a little different way. Okay, just a minute. Somebody wants to join in and is unable to. Just give me a second. I'll just pause the video for.
Absolutely agree.
How many of you are agreeing that there is money from the market to be churned out?
Yeah.
Yes.
So guys, just
yes.
wake up. Okay. Ek to, this market will give you the money if you want, if you believe that there is money in the market. First thing. Yeah. Secondly, if you come over here with a mindset, oh my God, I am going to lose money, you are surely going to lose money. How many of you are agreeing to this? How many of you feel that I am going to lose money? Now, if you think that you are going to lose money, okay, you are definitely going to lose money. So first of all, whatever learning which we are doing, you have to take your learning to a next level, because if you really feel that this market is going to not give me the money I want, he will not give you. But if you say, boss, I want the
money.
Yes, that is most important. That is most important. That is why again and again I am repeating the only one thing is because you need to believe that you have the, you know, have the power, you have the haq to make money from the market. Now that mindset you need to change. Okay, and for that you will have to take your learning to the next level. See, I have also gone through that struggle of not having the money, okay, and making 1 lakh rupees per day. Okay, this year I have touched even 6 figures, and now there is no looking back. Why I am saying, I am not trying to impress you, boss. I am only trying to express to you that it is possible. It is possible, but you need to believe in yourself. You need to believe that there is definitely money in the market. Chalo, fatafat, before we go to the next session, I will take Nifty and Bank Nifty and give you a clear picture of how to go about it. I'll just share the screen. Everybody off your videos. Let's go to the charts immediately. Off your videos, off your videos. Let's go to the charts. Okay. Just off your videos, everyone. Okay. Now see, in just one day, going up by 20%. It's crazy, boss. Just crazy. Yesterday, I had given everyone can you off the videos, or it is my side, I have to change something. Okay. Okay. So we had seen the Hero Motors. Excuse me. Okay. So we had seen Hero Motors yesterday. While the price was going up, this is what I had sent to you. While the price were really going up very strongly. Now this is your Hero Motor ka chart. Now check out. Is the Hero Motor given a breakout on a daily chart? Hello.
Yeah, this is the call.
Call.
Yes,
which I
yes,
sent
yes.
Yes. This was the call which I had sent across to every one of you. So what is our blueprint telling us? This was the dancing it did. It did not go below the 31 levels. And then there was a breakout yesterday. Is it not a 1, 2, 3 happening?
Yes.
So going to 240 minutes chart. See, beautiful up move.
Yeah.
Okay. And it did go up, right up. Okay. And if you then look at the 125 minutes, so it's a rally base. Okay. Was this not 2, 3 candles telling you I want to go up? And now see these 2 candles, a bullish engulfing coming in. Okay. Check the 60 minutes. Right. Check the 15 minutes. Okay. So even in 15 minutes of 1, 2, 3 came in, again came back. This was the levels 42 and 39. Now, what is the lot size? Just imagine karo yaar, kitna paisa milta hai isme. Even when we gave you an entry around 65, it went to 86. 20 points in one single day. Okay. And how did the Hero Motor work? That was most important. Check the Hero Motors. Now check this out. Most of the stocks which are there, are they not very strong technically speaking? Okay. So if you see a daily chart, are they now going little strong, or they are in the verge of technically doing something better? Now check the HDFC Bank. Is this not a bullish engulfing? So anything about 933, will it not go up? Okay. One other thing in terms of triangular formation, which we have not studied, but let's take the triangular formation. Okay, what type of triangle this is? Anybody? This is technically supposed to be a symmetrical triangle. Okay, now if we see the symmetrical triangle formation, then I am looking at two things. Here I am looking at two things. In case if it breaks today only, okay, if it breaks today itself, which most probably it should be able to go about in this particular format. Let me change the color. If it does this and goes above the 950 levels, okay, then I am looking for a real big breakout in this particular stock. This should be the thing, and then we can do a extension of this. Now what is most important in this particular case is this will be the size of the move it could possible go above. But will it go up straight line? I am not saying that, but it could be this dancing before it goes to the next level. Now most of the time the levels do fail.
Mayur, it will dance because there is a supply over here, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, yes. So
now,
it will dance and then go up. That's
okay.
right.
For another reason, in case this fails to go up and it breaks this level, that means it needs to break this 900K levels now. Very, very crucial levels to look forward to. If it breaks this level, then it will again go back to this particular point. But surely now I doubt we are able to see the second bottom over here. Okay. Yes, it will come. Earning season will give you that dance coming in. But now I have changed my stand. Okay, that Nifty doesn't want to go down. I have changed my stand. And we should be looking at lot of buying opportunity and not to worry about seasons coming in, coronavirus doing blah, blah, blah. That is all gone for now. Please think about it. Let me show you in terms of Nifty. Now this is Nifty. See this is Nifty. Compared to the Bank Nifty, Nifty is looking real strong as on now. It has again taken the support of 61% retracement. That was 8999, which again and again I am telling you, boss, this till the time this support is not broken of 8684. Please write down all these levels with you and keep it in your book and give me as a reference every now and then. Okay, so these are the extension which we had put in, and let this extension remain as it is. Okay, so now I am looking for again the price coming over here. This will be the first point of resistance over here, and then looking at this as a target. Now if I look at it in terms of the move, or we can call it as an Elliott wave move. Let me take you to a different learning patterns also. So if I'm looking at this, so this is first, this is second, and suppose this is third, but this is not gone up still. This is level in between levels. So technically this is doing this dancing. Now the next up move could be seen like this particular levels. Okay, and then again doing the dancing, again coming back over here. This is very much possible, very much possible. Okay, once only now the next, if this breaks this 8690 levels, then and then only we will see that the downfall is coming in. Till that time, please don't think about, even if you are selling it, you have to use your in and out wala system. The ping pong ball, tuck tuk, khelte raho, upar niche, and take your money home, okay, and that is how the money is going to be made. So this is how I am looking at it. So these two levels, 9583 levels, the high which was this 9364 levels, and now the next level of 8690. Take a snapshot if you want to, but this is what I am looking at. अभी आपको लगेगा आइला, पहले तो मयूर भाई बोल रहे थे कि नीचे जाएगा, अभी मयूर भाई बोल रहे ऊपर जाएगा. But see, it is simple. You have to change according to how the market is playing a game. So I am fine with whatever the market is doing. I will follow the market. Now when the market will give me a scandal, okay, and say, boss, I want to go down, then I will think about selling it also. Not a problem at all. So every level of mine on a higher time frame will give me a clear picture where the market wants to go. Okay, guys, please remember this. So write down all this level and keep it with you. This will be definitely helpful for every one of you. Somebody wants to ask me some questions. Let me just go through this. Okay, we have got the list of so many stocks which are into VFX. Red Chili is your Shahrukh Khan ka. Okay, Reliance Media Works, again of Reliance. Okay, Mukta VFX. So please try and find out. Bajaj Finserv is on daily bullish engulfing at bottom and bottom level. Beautiful. Thank you, Angela, for sharing this wonderful site. Okay, let me fast go to the Bank Nifty. Let's check the Bajaj also. Okay. Okay. Bajaj
Finserv, not finance.
Okay.
Finserv.
Okay. Even in Bajaj Finance, it has given us a piercing pattern.
Same pattern.
It has given us a piercing pattern. So today, if it is going to run up, it is going to run away from here. Opening up and going about 2178, we will see a green color candle like this for sure. Because if the Nifty is going to go up, okay, these are the financial stocks which are going to move the Nifty up also. So we have to check the call put of this 2300 wala and 2200 wala. This could potential go right up till 2613 levels. This will work like a crazy. Now check this out. I'll just remove all the tools first, and I want to show you a better picture on this. See this. Now this is a triangular formation on the downside. Technically an ascending triangle type of wedge formation technically, Okay, wedge formation on the bottom side, wedge formation happening. Okay, now while the price wants to go down, RSI doesn't want to go down. RSI doesn't want to go down. Now what does it indicate? Anyone?
Divergence, yes.
In fact, divergence is there.
It's a die.
Divergence is there, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, are you able to see the divergence in RSI? Now the price are going down. Please understand. Here the RSI was at this point. Okay. Now while the price have gone down, RSI is showing a divergence over here. That means we are going to see a up move in this particular stock, a clear up move. Now this was a wedge formation. Ulta wedge. See, there are two type of wedge formation. One which comes on the top, which is something similar to this, and then the downfall comes in. Okay, and here we have got this ulta formation. I cannot emphasize the move it could happen, and when till the time it will go to the 50 levels, this will give you at least a move till this particular part. Maybe the whole of next week, this will do an up and down to go up. Okay, chalo, take this as a learning part also, and we can even save this also. Okay, see why I'm saving all this for you, because I want you to understand that this is how the system will play the game, and this is how you should be looking at things in a different fashion. Okay, next. Okay, let me take you to weekly and 240 minutes also. So let us go to weekly charts. See, price going down, RSI is still not given a thing. Okay, so what we should be doing? What we should be doing? Drawing the lines. So 2360. 2022. So technically in RSI nothing has happened in terms of weekly. Okay, so we have here in daily, and our lines are fixed. So at least till 2360, this is what I said. Okay, this will be the line to look at. Let me check the 240 minutes. So 240 minutes, a 1, 2, 3 has come in. Okay, but not above the 5-day chart. Let me check the 60 minutes. So it is still not given a clear indication, but RSI on this particular part, RSI again in 240 minutes also is showing a divergence. Just check this out.
What series is this?
This is April series.
April series.
This is an April series.
Strike 2100, is it? Strike price?
Yeah,
No,
21.
this is the This is the
2100.
future chart.
This is future ka chart, April series.
Okay.
See, now I am trying to change my stand for it to move up. Then I want something for a one month wala thing. Now I'm looking for a weekly options. Okay, then I can switch over to a different way of looking at things. See this? Still not given a clear indication, but the pressure is there on the upper side. Okay, RSI is still not given a clear indication, but once it breaks this, then we are in a short point. Now on a 60-minute, I can have my Fibonacci's and everything drawn. Okay, go to little higher time frame, because this is a stock where the movements are really strong. So where is the pivot high and pivot low? So pivot high to pivot low, pivot high to pivot low. Okay, I can draw my Fibonacci's. So I'm looking for 2233 levels. Now if Bank Nifty and Nifty is up, this is going to reach this 2233 levels. Now please understand, technically this was a red color candle. Lot of selling has happened over here. So this is a strong red color candle. So this is one single candle where the price has really been beaten down. So this is a red color candle. So our supply zone is on this now, at this particular level. Okay. And now where is our demand zone? From where it has run away?
Rally base rally.
Okay. So in case if it opens down, I may take a chance with the low of this particular candle. This will be my stop loss 2070 or little lower also. But now if it comes down, tries to go up, again takes this level will be a crucial level to look at, and then maybe it going up to 2233 levels. Then again maybe it will come down, and then if it is going up, then this is the level which I am looking at now as a target. Okay. Now this is an April series. Please understand, this is an April series, but I am fine with that. I am fine with that. Okay. Now I'll save this for our future reference. Whether it will come in April, I want this. I will look at and I will play this game according to how this all these are looking at. And please understand, whether you are right or wrong, only market will tell. But we need to understand there is a possibility. Okay, so don't jabardasti say sell things. Okay. These are the levels. You can write down all these levels with you. So market opening with 60 points plus. Okay. Now we'll just go and find out what. Okay. In terms of low, this is 2080 and 2070 is the downside levels. Okay. Let me save this again for us, future reference. Okay. Going to the Bank Nifty now. We have only 2 minutes, then we'll log in once again later on. Okay. So Bank Nifty. So technically Bank Nifty is little weaker than all other stocks. But now check this out in terms of what the Bank Nifty has done. This is a very strong red color candle. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So this is a very strong red color candle. Now, if it breaks this and wants to go up, then we are looking for a higher thing. So what is the high, where it wants to go to? It has to cross these levels. 19931 wala levels. Now, if it comes down, okay, and then when it gives me a signal for going up, I want to be a buyer in this. Okay, it will do a dancing. I don't want to. But this will be a strong level to check it. 250 levels. 250 levels will be now 9150 and 405 levels. Anyway, thank you for joining me. We'll catch up with you sometime back. Okay. Chalo. Take care and let us meet a little later. Another 5
Thank you.
We are meeting again. Thank you for joining me. Bye. Take care and have a
Bye.
profitable day.